Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Branley. Welcome back here on this platform whereby we share investment platforms on this channel. So for today, I've come back with an answer to those who have been asking me how to make a deposit on this platform called Forexmax. So I want us to go step by step, and so that we learn how to invest with this platform. So if you're a new member, consider subscribe, and then if you have liked this video, please turn up the like button, and then hit on that bell icon so that you receive every content what I will be posting on this YouTube channel. Let us jump into the video. So what you do, this is the surface or the dashboard of this platform. You scroll down and you look for the word invest, which is here. You click on it. After clicking on it, it will bring you to boxes where you're going to fill your information. For example, you're supposed to fill this one and this one. So whereby the first box will fill your amount of money which you want to make a deposit. Let us say maybe 100,000, and then you make a deposit. You enter the phone number where the money is coming from. Just say maybe 87946 23255. You just assume that's the number, and then you click on this. You click on this deposit. You click on deposit. After clicking there, if that phone is with you, it will bring an option where you put the password or the PIN code of your mobile money. Then you will have to enter it there, and the money will come here. As you can see, successfully does what? Successfully deposited this one and this one. So that's all. And please, members, if you want to make a smooth withdrawal, I beg you to use Airtel. Don't use MTN. For that all, I wish you a safe journey with this platform, and have a blessed day.